signal fades, a memory blurs. In the silence, no voice concurs. Lost in a dance of gravity's pull, alone